Hi, I'm Gia Nicolaides. Here's your morning brief on the coronavirus. It's day 42 of the national lockdown and day 7 under level 4 of the regulations. The number of positive cases now stands at 7,808 since the first recorded case in March. 153 people have died and over 3,000 are now listed as recovered. Almost 280,000 tests have been done, and it's interesting to note that testing capacity is managing to deliver more than 10,000 tests a day almost consistently. Government has now changed the regulations governing the movement of cars during level 4. In the rule gazetted on Monday, cars were allowed on the roads until 9 p.m. to complete a trip. But yesterday, the Transport Department changed the cut-off time to 7 p.m. No reason has been given to explain the stricter curfew. Public Enterprises Minister Pravin Gordhan says SAA's business rescue practitioners had said that all flights, including repatriation flights, would be stopped on the 8th of May. The minister said that this may change if government was able to find money. Gordhan wants business rescue practitioners to drop their fees by anything up to 40%. He doesn't want SAA liquidated and says there might be opportunities for SAA in the post-pandemic world if someone has money. But that someone won't likely be our government because we're fresh out of bailout cash. The minister and the business rescue practitioners are in talks over this issue. There's a positive case of coronavirus in the office of the presidency. The Union Buildings complex is now being sanitized and deep cleaned. The staff member in question has not been in contact with the president or his deputy. Eskom has also confirmed a worker at the nation's only nuclear power station has also tested positive. The worker at Kuburg is currently in isolation. All their workplace contacts have been traced and tested. And SAB might end up having to destroy 400 million bottles of beer. They haven't been able to move the alcohol under the lockdown regulations. And there's roughly 130 million litres of beer in tanks, which can't be bottled because there would be no space for the new bottles. They've now asked government if they can move the beer. And if they can't, they'll have to destroy it. Taking a wider look at the pandemic, US President Donald Trump has described the coronavirus pandemic as the worst attack ever on the United States, again pointing a finger at China. New Zealand, hailed as one of the world leaders in containing the virus, is now looking at reopening most elements of society as soon as next Wednesday. They've managed to cut down on community spread with just 2 new infections this week. For this and more, go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus.